Here I have Xiaomi Redmi Note 4X, and let me show you how to open here the hardware test mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's choose here the phone's dialer and let's use the secret code asterisk hash asterisk hash 64663 hash asterisk hash asterisk. As you can see, the hardware test just pops up. Here you can read a few information, you can check out the version info, you can here read a few information about your device. If everything is correct, let's tap pass. You can test the light sensor. You can also here use, for example, the key light test. You have to notice if the light is appropriate. Let me tap pass. You can also use other stuff. For example, you can test your receiver. If you hear the sound, let's choose the male or female. Alright, here you can also test the speaker, camera, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and other stuff. If you would like to go back, let's use the back key. So that's it, everything went well, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.